Okay. Here we have the loudspeakers. We can hear music through loudspeakers. Loudspeakers can convert the electrical signals into sound energy. Okay? They can convert the electric energy into sound energy. So most of music that we hear is now produced by loudspeakers in radios and headphones. Loudspeakers can transform electrical signal or electric energy into sound waves. Okay? Okay. Here we have musical instruments. Musical instruments can produce sound by different ways. These ways is hitting, for example, the drum. Okay, so musical instrument create sounds by making their parts vibrate. How can I make the parts of the musical instrument vibrate? Example, guitar makes sound when their string vibrate, right? But if the strings are static, there is no sound. Different parts of an instrument vibrate when they are hit, blown, plucked, or strummed. So we have methods of vibration of the parts of the musical instrument: hitting, blowing, plucked, or strummed. Let's see this task. Okay, here we have a question. If you can answer the question, you can raise your hand and I call you to open the mic. Place each of the following musical instruments into one of three groups: hit, plucked, and blown, depending on the way which they produce sound. First instrument is trumpet. Trumpet. Okay. Okay, here we have Jana. Jana Ahmad. Is Jana?
Blown.
Blown. Excellent. Trumpet can produce sound or can vibrate to produce sound by blown. Okay, next question. Here, piano. Abdullah Ahmad. Abdullah. Abdullah Ahmad. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, piano. How can piano produce sound? By hitting, plucking, or blowing? Piano. Piano have strings inside. Yes, Abdullah. Hit, plucked, or blown? Abdullah Ahmad. Abdullah Ahmad. Serena. Can you answer, Serena Mansour? Blood? Yes, Serena.
Sir, can I ask? Can I tell you?
Yes.
Piano can be hit.
Hit? Like drum? Hit? Option like drums.
Plucked.
Plucked. Excellent. Okay. So it will plug option with any string. Any string can plug. Okay, plugged here means moving the string. Moving, okay, the string. Okay, Ghassan? Ghassan,
Okay.
plugged means, okay, moving the string, like moving your fingers on the string. Okay?
Okay.
Close
Okay, sir.
your mic, thank you. The next question, we have recorder. Who can recorder?
Sir,
Who is opened the mic?
me. Maryam Sameh.
Yes, Mariam.
It's
Recorder.
blown.
Blown. Excellent. Thank you, Mariam Sameh. Okay. يبقى here blown. Next question.
Sir, can I answer?
What's your name?
Yusuf Hassan.
Yes, Yusuf, you can. Guitar, Yusuf.
Plugged.
Plugged. Excellent. Okay. Abdullah Ahmad, you entered again? Abdullah Ahmad.
Sir, can I answer?
What's your name?
Michael.
Michael. Yes, Michael, you can. Cello.
Plucked.
Cello, plugged. Excellent. Okay. I want Kareem. Kareem, can you hear me? Kareem.
Yes, sir.
Can? Okay, Kareem.
Yes.
We have another question. There is drum.
Hit.
Hit. Excellent. Okay. Abdullah Ahmad. Okay, you can't, there is problem, you can't talk. Okay, you can message me, you can chat me, okay, and answer this question. Saxophone. Saxophone, how can saxophone produce sound? Okay, Abdullah.
Sir, can I answer?
1 minute.
Sir, can I answer?
1
Sir,
minute.
Sir, can I answer?
Close
me-
all. Okay, you can answer Laziza. Thank you, Abdullah. Abdullah Ahmad answered correctly, but I want to hear another answer. Yes, Laziza, I think. Laziza, open your mic and answer.
Sir, can I answer?
Can I
What's your
answer?
name? What's your name? First one.
Me? Me?
Yes?
Yasin Hamadi.
Yasin. Okay, Yasin, you can.
Blown.
Blown. Excellent. Next question, Ghassan Fadi. Next question,
Yes.
Ghassan. Can you answer this question? Mandolin.
Plucked.
Excellent. Okay, Serena also answered like Abdullah in chatting. Excellent, Abdullah Ahmad and Serena Mansour. Thank you. And check your voice again or your connection with talking. Next question.
Sir, can I answer again?
No.
Sir, can I answer?
Yeah, Sophia.
Can I
Sophia.
answer?
Sophia. I need Sophia. All close mics except Sophia. Yes, Sophia? Sophia Musa. If you can't open the mic, you can message me. Sophia? Sophia Musa, can you hear me? Open your mic and answer faster because we have another quiz. Fast, fast. Only 7 minutes left. We have another quiz.
Sir,
Sir, her
please,
mic is not
my name
working.
is Abdullah Ahmed Amir. My name is Abdullah Ahmed. Can I ask, please?
Close your mic, please. Close your mic. Thank you. Okay, I need Taya. We want other students that they don't share or they don't cooperate with us. Taya, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, harmonica. How harmonica can produce sound?
Hit.
Hitting a harmonica. This is the shape of harmonica.
Sir, can I answer?
Sir, can I answer?
Can I answer, sir?
1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay, okay.
Sarah Mustafa. Sarah.
Black.
Yes, can you answer this question? How harmonica can
Loan.
produce sound? Loan.
Loan.
Excellent. Excellent. Loan. Thank you. Okay. Here we have another quiz for the topic that I have explained. Okay. One minute. This quiz. Let's start. Here, what device using sound helps ships to navigate?
Sir, can I answer?
Can I?
Sir,
Yeah.
can I answer?
1
Can I
minute.
answer, sir?
1 minute. No, no. Just raise your hand and I will choose. Just raise your
Okay.
hand. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Rawan, you can open your mic and answer.
Ultrasound.
Ultrasound. I want the device. This is ultrasound waves, yes. But what is the name of device? Device. Ultrasound. What is the device that produces ultrasound? Yes, Yusuf Hassan.
Yes, sir.
What is the
It's
answer?
compass.
Compass to determine the location and the direction. Compass doesn't
Yes.
produce sound.
Pulsar.
Thank you.
Sir, can I answer?
Answer.
Sonar.
Sonar. Okay. So here sonar is the right answer. Sonar send out sound waves and measures how long it takes for echoes to come back. So it can't hit the mountains underwater. Okay. Let's see the next question. Please close your mic. Okay. Here, in which of these places could you not hear sound?
Sir, can I answer?
Can I answer?
No,
Sir, can I answer?
I want you to raise your hand only,
I raised my hand.
but you open your mic. Laura? Laura?
In
Sir,
space.
can I ask, please?
Laura, which option?
In space.
Space. Excellent. Because vacuum, such as space, okay, contain no air. So sound waves, okay, can travel through. Thank you. Here we have another question. Here we have, which is Huawei Y7 Prime. Who is this? That
Sir.
boy?
Me, sir. Me.
Please, sir.
Huh? Mariam?
I am Huawei, sir.
Yes, you can answer Huawei.
Rocket launch.
I will change your name into Huawei. Okay.